Juana Nano pay my chance attention TV and the funny of your phone bia good morning eba attention TV eba attention TV there yes we inspire you more and tea and brassin any di mama so web PM so dear and any day can web PM so and subscribe na like your programs ni my send bear adwuma no ebekoso kama
me kwame ni mu ewo nsem foforo emu ana ye bo e de remu ewo Nkwata Senior High School a ewo oti mantem no emu na ho na betodwa e kire se adesuafo no bu ofu papa ne enyapade a yesese no wo school no maden ya a kirefo no akọ seize wo mobile phones a wono mu eyusu ewo school mo nte ne kire se a kirefo no agigi mobile phones nta adesuafo ese ne wo mu no mu ya wo mtuko se kum wo mu bu ofu pa ene school bus kora wo asese no asese nyapade awodo bi a eka ho ye hwe ni mo se yensa ebetumi aka yenua bema Caleb Kwesi Ali na wodi entremu efiri wono mo ede aba so se wono mo achi adesuafo no ebi ana se hwehwemu ana mpanifo eye no akwakosi sen na yetumi ne no edi enkomo na eye headmaster so wo Nkwata Senior High School Ora Solomon Bagman enso ene Angel Kase edi nkoma yentie ne nsem ne bi
routine work in the school system. When students come, once in a while, you search them to see whether they brought some unprescribed or items to school. And paramount among them is attire, mobile phone, clothing, and whatever, or weapons like these knives. So we did inform them that we'll be inspecting their things. So yesterday, after having a PLC meeting, we gathered all of them and then they took them to the classroom. This is just the classroom. You not even enter the dormitory and you can see the magnitude of mobile phones and electrical gadgets that students are brought to the class. So if students are with this item and teachers are teaching, what concentration will be there? So these items were seized, and when they were seized, they were making noise. So I called for the divisional commander and then district commander. We assembled them in the dining hall, spoke to them. We don't hate you. When you are writing exams and they see mobile phone in your possessing mobile phone, they seize the mobile phone and your exams is cancelled. So we are keeping these mobile phones. We invite your parents to come identify it and take it. So go and concentrate on your studies. We are not taking the mobile phone. It has been my policy. When I take the mobile phone, I write your name on the mobile phone and then we keep it. Then your parents can take the phone, you see. So yesterday in the evening, I even slept around 8 o'clock. Then they came and woke me up. The students were throwing stones. So I sent for the police, they came, then they sat them to go and sleep. Around 11, in fact, I have to call the police to come and put me out of campus. They destroyed a whole lot of vehicles. The school bus was destroyed, the 2 buses. And they ransacked the senior housemaster's office where cutlasses are. The cutlasses that they used to weed it. They took all. They went to where we've been storing cutlasses, Omo, detergent, Parazo, and whatever, and took everything. We don't know where they are taking it to and what they are going to use them. And that's the fear. If you say cutlasses, they are using as a tool and they are using as a weapon, we don't know. So that's the situation.
Headmaster nano disem ena woti ye na nwachi ena municipal chief executive won monyan for Joseph Awal enchi enso kade acha desuafo ena fa chechefo nyina so monkama koma ntomo yem esan sesesio mo ehwese bibia betumi akoye na afei wonomo atoa so enti adesua ne de ebekoso wo munya abotre yentie said MC so kan nsem
a student teacher intime wase kakra na ba esan se embrace se my mobile phone emba school is school akala nti teachers no headmaster kapo mu ye so on be sweep o me hwehwe nkwala no eniemam no mu agigi mobile phones e wo ho I think say ndra per report amenya e che say ndra no mu ye sa adwumadi no the kofa ntimi wase kakra ba school kola na toto ambo ne ho niema eni ntia na pa ye hu be hia se di security beba nya ba betie ye ekoso fi teachers for no ye wi aye ko school kola no so ye no makwa kasa na ma check headmaster ne teaching board ne say omo enhia no mo take decision recommendation no and as a feedback no me hia na nde ya na matimi enso atena so e dia person ye di ye ebetu ye o school no Nkwata secondary school e school a agidi a ebon homode ye bi no haya ne yakọ school na nde ya ba bedu bebi ye we nti ye mpese saa suban ebekoso ebehwe kwan a ye befa so with the recommendation e beba no ya timi dia toto nyama na atimi aboa ama bibia atodi.
Wey onmonyan for Joseph Awal Enchi wano ena waye municipal chief executive and also ede nano atumu ebie ntino ye ba omanwa se ye betumi enya yen century ni Caleb Kwesi Ali na wode ehonomo amanebo enso ede aba yenkwana afi ne no eni enkomo Caleb Majwe
mene aba mejo so mechiatie for ne ayofo anyimre
Wetiefo agye wo so kama boye mu fa yenwure mu ewo ho no basabase esie adesuafo sesei bus ne ade mobile phones hunti no akwa akosi sen
eyo mini aba sade mode tuja na esa pepepe na ena enya ne ntie se eye achechefo ne school fo amo Nkwata Senior High School mente mo ase aman home so ne nyina ene se achechefo no kire mo ase edani de nyina ye tem bia no mo conduct search na wo mo search mbofra no egege unprescribed materials a mbofra no ediba school editi se mobile phone mofti ni enema a ekeka ho a GSM ma umra so mo mfa mra school mo no ena o mo conduct so mo egie na endo o mo conduct search no o mo gege mobile phones makumako a ekeka ko eye ahamienu me 200 kura ena face so mofti eye entade a ense se mofra no ediba school ni nyina no o mo egie na omuji no ena achechebo no kiremu a omuse emofrai je omaji omofo no nyese bia omutan munti nanso omuhwe se omube concentrate on adisua won se be a ometumi asua na dachi so omabe empenyipa empenifo na na sa achechebo no ka che emofransa se na womubo anyoso omukoda anaju abo anaju be no nuba akwa no ndumi no ehonom no na emofra no aka omo chese omubu afu ekwan achechefo no efa so je mobile phone omubu anyoso omasase a omo toto abo egu eye headmaster ne kanche so na omo skata no mo campus wo chese omo school bus kura omo bus no matoto abo aboma eho glasses ni nyina omo papa no na omo bowura omo senior house father no office eye sikai eye grant year prescribe grant year mo Friday bus school bi omo bowura ho omo kosesa ni nyina na omo de koye na eba asa no headmaster eye owura Solomon Bangman ono eto nsafra police force say ene ekoso ewo school mu na police force no ba na ombe rescue headmaster no di free campus ho ene omo ne emofra no ede afeso nti wusa abofra no bako a owo ogina mfoni ewo ho no ma otumi se na chia bia sa no abra na omo rescue headmaster na chese emofra no still ana omo toto abo ebo eye police force nti police force no so eto se omo so a ya bro mo a sabra me no ka se ya bro mo pa a sabre police force eche mofra no mako enkron ya na omo so e ka sa tutura semi ehu bi e ba sa no ya to nsa frɛ eye mansimu krachi owura Joseph Awal Enchi